Hi guys, I'm gonna show you our mini winter vegetable garden. Let's go!
My husband is the gardener. My role is to water the vegetables and I also talk to them. Just kidding. We are preparing the other side of the yard for our summer vegetables. It's been really windy here for the past few days. And look what happens. These chives look really disheveled. These photos show our normal harvest during the summer. My husband will normally plant about 20 tomato plants, some cucumbers, and also more zucchini. We share the fruit of our labor with our neighbors and family and friends. It's a wonderful feeling to give and share these organic vegetables. We've been making green salad from this lettuce, really fresh and delicious, and of course organic. These snow peas are darling. The flowers are beautiful white, so dainty, and the snow peas are very sweet. These are really good to add to chow mein or pancit, also a great addition to chop suey. We also plant some garlic, and because of the strong winds lately, they also look disheveled. We use the leaves of the garlic for soup. You can see that the cabbage is slowly forming. It's great to plant celery also. They are very hardy and can stand the summer heat and the cold winter. This one is about 1 year old and has been giving us fresh celery that we don't need to buy from the store. We also have this winter surviving tomato plant. It has a lot of fruit. The leaves look dry. This is what happens to this plant during the winter time. I can't wait for the broccoli and Brussels sprouts to grow more. It will be really exciting. We have more cabbage here. The photo above shows our last cabbage harvest. I made coleslaw from this cabbage. This mint looks very happy and healthy. I use this for tea and also for Vietnamese spring rolls. Parsley is the most versatile herb. You can use it for anything, even for garnish because of the vibrant green color. The beets are really amazing as the roots are full of antioxidants. I can't wait for this to grow. Now for the ginger, it took about 7 to 8 months to harvest. You can tell when it's ready when the stem and leaves have dried out. Homegrown ginger has a light flavor. It is very refreshing.
Oh, wow. It's small, but
Now we got another ginger. Let's see what it looks like. This ginger looks like an alien. Oh my goodness. And I made wonderful soup from the spinach and ginger. I have a cooking video
so there
coming
you have it,
soon.
guys. I hope you enjoyed this mini tour of our very small winter vegetable garden. And stay tuned for more of my cooking videos with the farm to table recipes. And also, hope you enjoyed this video. Very short, but I just want to share with you what we have in here. And you guys take care. Have a wonderful one. God bless you. Bye.